Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm doing a get ready with me. I am going to a graduation party like right now. I have to be leaving very soon. Before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Anything you want me to do in the future, please make sure you comment down below. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, so let's get into it. First off, I just have moisturizer on and I'm going to do something I haven't really done on this channel. I'm going to take some primer. This is the Morphe eyelid primer, which is right here, and then I have a little bit on my hand. And so I'm just gonna take this, grab my mirror here, I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna go down on my smile lines, and then I'm gonna do it right here in between my eyebrows, anywhere that I crack. And then I'll like take some powder, like a little brush. I think I'll just use a sponge. This is like a mini sponge. I've been really liking that lately to blend out my concealer and to put powder on. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the powder. This is the Makeup Revolution banana powder, which is right here. I'm just gonna tap that in to my smile lines a little bit, and right here, and it just helps to stop the cracking. Let's go into primer. I'm gonna use the Milani Soft Focus Glow, which is right here. I've been liking this primer lately simply because it like really blurs your pores. Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal and Perfect simply because it's waterproof and it's kind of hot outside today. It's like 70 degrees, so I don't want to sweat. It's like a party that's outside, so I'm gonna use this. If you haven't seen my review on this and testing it out to see if it's waterproof, definitely check that out. I will link it below for you guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna have it on my palette right here, and I'm gonna start blending this out with a sponge. Alright, so I just pinned my hair back, and then I'm just going to start dotting this around. I blend it out this side. I'm gonna take a brush. This is the M6 brush right here, and I'm gonna take the rest of the product off of this palette, and I'm gonna go down my neck so that I match. Let's move on to some concealer. I'm gonna use the No Filter concealer from ColourPop. Okay, if you're curious why I put concealer on my mouth, it's just because I have a lot of darkness like right here under my mouth, so I like to just blend that out with concealer. I think I have like a spider bite right here, and that is not fun. I'm so not excited about it. I found a spider in my bed the other day and I'm like, come on, bro. Seriously? Seriously, spider? I'm not playing with you today. So I'm gonna take my little mini guy and I'm gonna start blending out this concealer under my eye. Cool, that looks good. I'm gonna take my Makeup Forever setting powder. I'm gonna tap some into the lid of that same sponge. Okay, cool. And I'm just gonna brush this off. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna put some blush on. I'm gonna use the M500, I think this is. Yeah, M500, which is right here. And I'm using the Lorac blush in Aura is the name of the blush. Oh, I forgot to do contour. Mother ever. Alright, so sorry. I did blush before contour. I don't know what the heck is going on. I'm crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna go with the Hoola bronzer and the Morphe R7. I'm gonna tap that in. So when I do bronzer, I like to go in, because I have like, this feels like a really big, but I do like this brush. So I like to go on the edge of it, so it just gives you this nice, like somewhat sharp line, but also blown out, which is kind of what I want. I don't want like a heavy, sharp line. I'm going for like a glowy, bronzy kind of look. So I'm gonna go in with eyebrows. I'm gonna use the Milani Stay Put Brow in the shade Dark Brown. I go back and forth between like powder and putties. I don't know if this is a putty, it's just like a dip brow kind of a thing. So just depends on how I'm feeling. I'm gonna test this on the back of my hand. Yeah, there we go. I'm just going to carve out my brows. All right, brows are looking good. I'm going to finish them off with a little bit of 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. So I'm just gonna put some highlighter on and then we will move on to eyes. I'm gonna use the Lorac gellar baked gelato swirl in gilded honey. I've been obsessed with this. I think I got it like in like a Birchbox like years ago, and like I just kind of rediscovered it, and it's so pretty. Look at that. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand here. Like it just gives it this soft, like, it's so pretty. I'm obsessed with it lately. It's just like, oh, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna take an okay. I'm gonna take a Morphe M501 and dip that in here, and just put it a little bit here. And then for the nose, I'm just gonna take some on my finger and just press it onto my nose, onto the middle, and then drag that down. And then, for the love of God, blend that out. Okay, so the face is done. I just added a little bit of the Catrice liquid camouflage to my eyes, and I just set it with a little bit of powder for some primer. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do with my eyes. I'm a little bit on the fence what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics Nouveau Neutral, which is right here, and I'm gonna go in with like this shade right here. I'm gonna go for like a little bit of like an orangey eye, and then we'll see from there. Okay, so I just added that color, my crease and on the outer corner, just to give that little bit of a color kind of a thing. I'm just gonna add these little like protector things under my eye. There we go. Oh Jesus, I look crazy. I look really crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that Supernova palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade Celestial, and I might go in with a little bit of that Aura shade. I'm gonna take this M203 and I'm gonna take some on my brush like this, and then I'm just gonna wet it with some setting spray, this is the All-Star setting spray from ColourPop. I'm gonna take a little bit of that Celestial shade on my hand and try and put that on there. Looks pretty. I'm gonna also add a little bit of that Aura just because this is very dark, and I'm gonna take that same thing on my hand. I'm gonna concentrate that a little bit more on my inner corner so that it kind of builds out. Okay, so there we go. That looks really pretty. I like that. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other end. I'll be right back. Okay, so that is good. I'm gonna add a little bit of this dark shade on my outer corner, the dark shade that's right here, and then I'm gonna put that shade that's in my crease on the bottom lash line, and then we should be good to go. I'm gonna add some mascara, and we'll let that GS. Cool deal, bro. All right, so let's go in and put some, I think I'm gonna do the Lorac gellar highlighter in my inner corner. I'm gonna take this really light shade in the same palette and put that on my brow bone. I'm gonna do some mascara now. Don't think I'm gonna wear lashes because this is more of like a family gathering, so I feel like if I wear lashes it'll be just a little bit too much, and this eye look is already too much, you know, for my family at least. I'm gonna do some mascara, and I'm gonna go in with this Malloy Impact Mascara, and then I'm gonna back it up with some roller lash. So I just got quickly changed to the outfit I'm gonna wear tonight. I'm just gonna, while I was waiting for the mascara to dry, I'm gonna double that up with some Benefit roller lash. Okay, I just changed my mind 85,000 times. I'm so sorry about that. I don't know why. I'm so indecisive today. So I just went in with that, with this L'Oreal Color Rich liner. I really like this liner. It's super creamy. And then I just went in with this Huda Trendsetter liquid lip. It's a little too dark, but I like it. I think it goes with the dress. Yeah, y'all. All Alright, so I'm just going to set my face really quick, and then I'm going to use the Hydrating Milky Mix from Pixie. I really like this setting spray. It's super nice. I just ate it, that's okay. Cool. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And that should make my makeup not move. Okay, I hope that you really liked and enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments down below if you want me to do anything else in the future. I would love to. I hope you guys are just having the best weekend and the best day. I really appreciate you stopping by and hanging out with me for this chaotic video. Alright guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye bye.